Hey there, drivers and passengers. You never know what's around the corner when you're on the road. In today's video, you'll witness moments where 1 second made all the difference. Let's learn from these clips and keep safety our top priority. The truck loses control, slams into the barrier, and then a violent rollover, a breath-stealing moment on the road. Driving normally when suddenly a car comes speeding the wrong way, and then a head-on collision. No time to react. Two cars rush through the intersection. A lack of awareness, a lack of patience, and then a collision happens. Always slow down and look carefully before crossing. The truck carrying a massive cargo roll moves forward. Due to carelessness and poor awareness, it slams into the overpass pillar. Always double check your cargo height before passing under height-restricted areas. Just to save a few seconds, the car recklessly runs a red light and pays the price with a harsh collision. Never let haste compromise your safety. The truck speeds through the intersection without slowing down or checking, and then an unavoidable collision with another vehicle. Always slow down and look carefully before crossing an intersection. car loses control at high speed and crashes head-on into a vehicle changing lanes. Always maintain control of your speed.
The car speeds and drives the wrong way. Violent head-on collision with a vehicle going the right way. Never risk breaking traffic laws. The safety of yourself and others is the top priority.
Due to a lack of observation while merging, the car caused an accident with another vehicle. Always check carefully and yield when merging.
Car speeds through an intersection without slowing down or checking. Result, a powerful collision and the traffic light pole is knocked down. Always slow down and look carefully when crossing an intersection to avoid accidents. Car loses control and crashes into oncoming traffic, an unexpected situation that couldn't be avoided. Always maintain control of your speed and driving ability in any situation. Traffic is backed up, but the driver fails to observe and doesn't slow down. And then a collision happens. Always pay attention and reduce speed when driving in congestion.
Thanks for watching. Hope you're having an awesome day. We really appreciate you sticking around till the end if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, on-button subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest content. We've got more great videos coming your way. Big. Thanks again, and see you in the next one.